Why you are shy? Come on.
Inside.
If I take a massage, will be picture, no? Hi, lady. Yo, what's up? I'm just at the front of the famous La Favela, and unfortunately it's closed, but it's nothing new. And this is the Seminyak area, 5 p.m. Hot day as always. Nowadays it's so hot in Bali, I know, and every day I'm saying the same, but it's super hot to compare to Thailand, for example. I don't know why this water is coming here quickly. Anyway, today's vlog will be about showing you guys more about Seminyak, Legian and Kuta. Because we got some requests as you showing definitely too much face. I miss Bali so much and I wanna see everything but not your face. I know some of you guys missing my face. I hope so. I'm still handsome enough to showing you, but some people was saying like that, so I hope so you will enjoy today's vlog without much my face. However, I will still talk to you later, and from now, enjoy the view of Seminyak, Legian and Kuta. See you later, guys. And big smile to you, everyone who still like my face. Oh my god. Why you are shy? Come on.
Inside.
If I take a massage, will be picture, no? Okay, I already switched off the camera. The girls wants to offer me some kind of massage, however I just asked them for the picture. As you saw, not much interest.
And you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. I'll keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the minds we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you, and how I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me. Every time I see one's a destroyer and one is a warrior, fighting hard to be the better part of me, the better part of me, the better part of me. Another day, another rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me. Every time I see one's a destroyer and one is a warrior, fighting hard to be the better part of me, 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 the better part of me. Oh, there's a light and there's a fire coming out of me. Every time I see one's a destroyer and one is a warrior, fighting hard to be the better part of me, the better part of me, the better part of me, yeah, the better part of me.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground, in disbelief, staring at his fingers, through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
We've been fighting forever, gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. Interstate might take me nowhere. Anywhere is better than the places I have been. Sunsets in my rearview mirror, a projection of my old life fading. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff wanted says a worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams. Hey, for as long as I remember,
around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. I should have done so much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song, tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? Whoa, 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 whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
Whoa, somebody lost the dog, reward 1 million. So if you found a dog in Kuta area like this one, call the number. Yeah, so that's how it looks, the situation in between Seminyak and Kuta, passing the Legian Street. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope so you enjoy my every single day vlog. By the way, we're doing the vlog every single day. If you are new on the channel, so you should subscribe. You should consider to subscribe now, please. Thank you. So maybe we're gonna reach 10,000 subscribers before Christmas. Probably not. However, that will be very nice. And this is the hotel over here. What's the name of the hotel? Sulis Beach. Well guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Of course, about somebody saying about my face, yeah, that's real people saying like that, but this is sarcasm actually. However, I hope so you enjoyed, everyone. Something new tomorrow with my face for sure. Tomorrow I will talk a lot, but tomorrow will be a very interesting topic, I think. I hope so. Like always, see you tomorrow guys, take care, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. See ya.